Today we're here to talk to you about
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell, the movie where Tinkerbell
And the big boy nut, he came. Big boy had a hat. He got mad and Tinkerbell exploded. As exploded means mad. Let's do a puppet show. Let's do a puppet show, Daddy. Here's Tinkerbell. And here's Tink. That's Tink. And now this is Nut.
Okay.
And this is a nut too.
Okay. And what do they do?
They just the nut flew over, and then she flew over. Then they had a party there. Then they danced and danced. Then they came back over. Then they slept. And oh, this is not a puppet show. Just gotta show them up. Because hello. We forgot to do a puppet show.
Okay.
Daddy? Okay, Dad.
Okay.
I'll make a really long video. I'm the husky. That's my song.
Okay, sing your song.
Apple and happy, but different and so I'm over here. I'm over here. You live and down over here. I go think of a simple satisfying away. How did I get? Okay. Apple with happy. Not again, that's all. Apple with happy. Nope. Apple with happiness. Popcorn cheerfulness. Feminine feeling inside. Peppermint energy. Gumdrop. Gumdrop.
Holidays.
Holidays.
When you
Give Christ your life. The benefits of God's great love. Had a dog, a pink, white name, B-I-N-E. Apple with happiness.
Sophie, Addie's turn.
Feminine feeling inside. Peppermint energy. Gumdrop holidays. Really give Christ your life. The benefits of God's great love are super satisfying. Throw away your sin and let the sunshine try him, and you'll see